This is Insta360 Go-To review. The tiny action camera is a big improvement. Insta360 second micro-size Go camera features improved image quality and a charging case you can control with a remote. You can shoot longer videos than 30-second throwaway clips thanks to the Insta360 Go-To. It's not for everyone, but the Insta360 Go-To makes a great vlog camera or as a second action camera to use almost anywhere. You can mount the Insta360 Go-To to almost anything and still get stabilized, high-quality video. With the Insta360 Go, all the benefits of the original are here, some compromises are ironed out, and a whole bunch of new features are added. Most of these new Insta360 Go-To features have to do with the case. The first Insta360 Go had nothing but a charging case. This second generation one is totally different. The Insta360 Go-To has buttons, a mini mode screen, it flips open into a holder for a camera, and it comes with integrated legs, so it can be used as a tripod. What it lacks in form factor innovation, it makes up for in smart additions and significant improvements in usability. The resolution is only 1440p, but that shouldn't be a deal breaker as its image quality is superb. It's a big upgrade over the original, and it can capture detail like a GoPro Hero 9 Black in most cases. Although the resolution is only 1440p, its image quality is amazing. It's a huge upgrade over the original, and it can capture details like a GoPro Hero 9 Black. But the Insta360 Go-To is a case study in what a second generation product should be. The Insta360 Go-To improves on what made the original so good, in almost every way. Continue reading to learn about modes, image quality, and one thing we'd like to see in an Insta360 Go 3. It's much more expensive than its predecessor. The Insta360 Go-To is $299/£29499, 47,999 Australian dollars, up from $200. The price puts it uncomfortably close to the GoPro Hero 8 Black. And if the micro-size design of the Insta360 Go-To isn't essential, you might be better off with a more traditional camera like that. Even so, the Insta360 Go-To's improved image quality and usability make it worth the extra money. Let's start with a primer on how the Insta360 Go-To works. We're going to assume you don't know anything about the original Insta360 Go. Firstly, let's take a look at how the Insta360 Go-To works. We'll assume you haven't seen the original Insta360 Go. A necklace with a magnetized plate holds the Insta360 Go-To in place. Wear it under a shirt and the camera sticks to it, as if it were stitched into the fabric. An easy clip attaches to caps or backpack straps. And the pivot stand has an adhesive back so you can stick it anywhere. Insta360 Go-To doesn't have a bike mount, but it seems like it's made for situations where a regular action camera might be too big or too conspicuous. It comes with a universal mount adapter that works with generic or GoPro mounts. We're video dinosaurs, but we still think not having a screen is the main reason not to buy the Insta360 Go-To. You can't compose your image and, unlike a good 360-degree camera, you can't fix things in the post-processing. Insta360 Go-To doesn't have a screen, so you can't compose your image and, unlike a good 360-degree camera, you can't fix things afterward. Still, the Insta360 Go-To's removable lens cover is a big plus. It screws off, just like a classic GoPro, so you can replace it if it gets scratched. Even if you don't treat it well, the Insta360 Go-To is one of the easiest action cameras to keep in good shape. Despite its waterproofness, it isn't good enough for swimming, which increases pressure and requires a higher grade seal. We've mostly used the Insta360 Go-To with its battery case. You can slot the camera into this to upload your clips or recharge the battery, but it also has 2 buttons and an OLED display. With this combo of buttons and screen, you can switch between modes, alter settings, and start/stop shooting video and stills. It turns the Go-To into something more like a full-blown action camera. The flip-out base also is a handy mini stick grip, keeping your hand out of the way. This is a big part of what we missed in the original Insta360 Go. While you can access a ton of shooting modes when the camera flies solo, you have to remember which multi-tap gesture is which. It also appears that Insta360 was able to improve its processing. In most Insta360 reviews we've written, we mention pixel fizz. This is where tight-knit fine detail phases in and out of existence as the processing vacillates between deciding its fine detail and noise. The GoPro still wins when it comes to color, stabilization, and overall image quality. However, the fact that we can compare them so close is a big plus for the Insta360 Go-To. There are also a lot of modes on an Insta360 Go-To. They include video, photo, pro video, HDR video, time shift, time-lapse, and slow-mo. Time shift speeds up the action, but only by 4x, rather than the greater time compression of time-lapse. That mode lets you take a frame every half a second to every 120 seconds.